Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Adobo Paksiw Milkfish. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have onion, minced garlic, vinegar, soy sauce, bay leaves, black pepper, whole peppercorn, olive oil, sugar, and also we're gonna use oyster sauce here and water. So I'll show you the other ingredients and the fish that we use. Actually, we use here the milkfish. Okay, I got 2 milkfish here, which I marinated already a while ago. Let's remove the cover, and I already marinated this 2 hours ago. I cleaned the fish, cut it, and then I mix all the ingredients and marinated the milkfish. I don't usually use measurements. I just guesstimate, the mixture of ingredients. It depends on your taste, which ingredients you need to put some more. Look at the fish here. See? So what I did is I mixed all the ingredients, and then I tasted the marinade. So if I need to put some more soy sauce, I have to put some more soy sauce. If I need to put some more vinegar, I have to put some more vinegar, or sugar, whatever. The thing is, the good thing with guesstimating it is your taste will not lie. You know what I mean? So it's kind of difficult to get each measurement of ingredients, and then when you add some more fish, the taste will be off. So the best thing really is to taste the mixture, and then from there you can add other ingredients that you like. It depends on your taste. So this is already marinated and ready to be cooked. So what we're gonna do here is we will fry the fish a little bit, half cooked, and then we're gonna simmer. After that, we're gonna simmer it with the sauce. So let's hit the stove. In our hot wok here, we put the oil already. So we're gonna start frying the fish, okay? There you go. All right, we're gonna make it golden brown. Maybe we cook this for 5 minutes, and then after that, we will simmer it with the sauce, with the marinade that we use. Okay. All right. All right, we'll be right back. Now it is golden brown now, so we'll just put this aside and we'll proceed to the next step. Okay, next step, is we will put the marinade on the wok. And a while ago, I forgot to tell you that we can put vegetables. So this time what we're going to put is eggplant. We slice the eggplant and we can put it first before we put the fish. Okay? All right. Okay. And we put the fish in. Okay. One by one. There you go. All right. One by one, slowly. Okay. We're gonna let this simmer for the next 5 or 6 minutes. There you go. Oh man, it tastes really good now. I can smell, that's why. All right. There you go. Okay. Go. Go. I have 2 more left. We used a real big Bangus here, or milkfish. All right. Now, put the sauce in. Oh, it's real good. Now we put some more eggplant on top. And then we will add half cup of water. And we'll let it simmer for the next 5-7 minutes. All right. Let's add just a little of water. All right. And we'll cover it. We'll be right back. This time we can add the bay leaves. Okay. All right. And whole peppercorn. All right. And dust of black pepper. And I'll cover it and wait for the next 7 minutes. Here is the finished product. Adobo Paksiw na Bangus or milkfish. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.